Here's the one you've been waiting for. Welcome to 35 Burwell Street, located in Whitby. This awesome home is a townhouse freehold bungalow. On the main floor, we have 2 bedrooms, a main bath, and downstairs is fully finished, featuring a rec room, a 3rd bedroom, and another full bath. There's tons of living space here with the eat-in kitchen and an awesome family room with a gas fireplace. The backyard has a beautiful deck and is fully fenced. We're located super close and convenient to shopping, parks, rec centers, and so much more. This home's being featured by the Plowman team and myself, Joselyn Burgess. Book your showing today and make this gorgeous home your home.